AGA range model AEL36DFMBL troubleshooting. AGA Elise series 36-inch freestanding dual fuel range with natural gas, 5 sealed brass burners, 4.5 cubic feet total oven capacity, convection oven, continuous grates, storage drawer, true-yer. Troubleshooting. The oven is not cooking evenly. Do not use a tin or tray larger than 14 inches wide by 12 inches deep. If you are cooking a large item, be prepared to turn it round during cooking. If 2 racks are used, check that space has been left for the heat to circulate. When a baking sheet is put into the oven, make sure it is placed centrally on the rack. Check that the door seal is not damaged and that the door catch is adjusted so that the door is held firmly against the seal. A dish of water when placed on the rack should be the same depth all over. For example, if it is deeper at the back, then the back of the range should be raised up or the front lowered. If the range is not level, arrange for your supplier to level it for you. Current-operated ground fault circuit breaker. Where the range installation is protected by a 30 mA sensitivity residual current device, the combined use of your range and other domestic appliances may occasionally cause nuisance tripping. In these instances, the range circuit may need to be protected by fitting 100 mA device. This work should be carried out by a qualified electrician. Oven not coming on when turned on manually. Is the power on? Is the clock illuminated? If not, there may be something wrong with the power supply. Is the range supply on at the isolator switch? Has the time of day been set? If using the multi-function oven, have you set a cooking function? Is the key symbol showing in the display? Broiler not cooking properly. Are you using the pan and grid supplied with the range? Is the pan being used on the runners, not the door of the compartment? Is the broiler tray pushed fully back to stop? The oven light is not working. The bulb has probably burnt out. You can buy a replacement bulb from a good electrical shop. Ask for a 15-watt 125,130-volt lamp for ovens. It must be a special bulb, heat-resistant to 570 Fahrenheit. Oven temperature getting hotter as the range gets older. If turning the knob down has not worked or only worked for a short time, then you may need a new thermostat. This should be fitted by a service person. Steam is coming from the oven. When cooking foods with a high water content, there may be some steam visible at the rear grill. Take care when opening the oven door, as there may be a momentary puff of steam when the oven door is opened. Stand well back and allow any steam to disperse. The oven fan is noisy. The note of the oven fan may change as the oven heats up. This is perfectly normal.